Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable your camera on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to give your system a moment to boot up completely before making any changes to your settings. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, navigate to the Windows Start menu. You'll find this located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll need to access your system settings, so type in Settings into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings application where you can configure various aspects of your system. When the Windows Settings menu appears, look through the list of available options and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the privacy-related settings for your computer, including permissions for different hardware components like your camera and microphone. It's where Windows lets you control which apps and features can access your personal data and devices. Now, within the Privacy and Security menu, direct your attention to the options available. You'll see different privacy categories listed. Scroll down through this list until you locate the camera option and click on it to access your camera settings. This is where you can manage all camera-related permissions and access controls for your Windows 11 device. Once you're in the camera settings page, you'll prominently see a toggle switch labeled Camera Access. This toggle controls whether your camera is enabled system-wide on your Windows 11 computer. If the toggle is currently off, simply click it to turn it on, and your camera will now be enabled at the system level. You might also see another toggle below that says Let Apps Access Your Camera. Make sure this one is turned on as well, as it allows your applications to actually use the camera once the system-level access is enabled. After enabling these toggles, scroll down a bit further and you'll see a list of individual apps. Here you can control which specific apps have permission to use your camera. Simply toggle on the apps you want to grant camera access to, like Zoom, Teams, or your web browser. This gives you granular control over your privacy while still allowing necessary apps to function properly. And that's it! You've successfully enabled your camera on Windows 11 and it's now available for use with your chosen applications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.